Leave it.
Jen, what just happened?
She's trying to take a picture.
She's trying to live with her faith.
Not a problem.
I'll send the fire department in when they come.
Yeah, do that.
Jen's mom set off the fire alarm and it's on tape. Where's the police?
She's trying to live with her pain.
Take her away. She just likes the handcuffs.
Another thing you have in common.
She loves the attention.
You have in common.
She loves the attention.
She loves the attention.